The Green Card Lottery Program, officially known as the Diversity Immigrant Visa Program, provides an opportunity for individuals to become lawful permanent residents of the United States. This guide covers eligibility criteria, application procedures, fee structures, deadlines, and important resources for different categories of applicants. You can apply for a green card through family if you are the spouse of a U.S. citizen, the unmarried child under 21 years old of a U.S. citizen, or the parent of a U.S. citizen if the citizen is at least 21 years old. You may be eligible for a green card through employment if you are a first preference worker with extraordinary abilities in sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics, an outstanding professor or researcher, a multinational manager or executive, a second preference worker with an advanced degree or exceptional abilities, or a third preference worker in a skilled or unskilled job. You may qualify for a physician national interest waiver if you agree to work in an underserved area. As an immigrant investor, you must invest at least $150,000 or $800,000 in certain areas in a U.S. business and create at least 10 full-time jobs. The religious workers and special immigrants category includes religious workers, special immigrant juveniles, Afghan Iraqi nationals, broadcasters, and others. You can apply for a green card through refugee or asylee status if you have been granted asylum for at least 1 year, or if you are a refugee who has been admitted to the U.S. at least 1 year ago. You may be eligible for a green card if you hold a T or U non-immigrant visa, or if you are a victim of battery or extreme cruelty under the Violence Against Women Act. To apply for the Diversity Visa Program, you must be selected through the Department of State's lottery. Other categories include the Cuban Adjustment Act, HRIFA, Lautenberg Parole, Indochinese Parole, American Indians born in Canada, persons born to foreign diplomats, and registry-based applications. If you are inside the U.S., you can adjust your status by filing Form I-485 if you have an approved immigrant petition and a visa is available. If your category allows, you can file your petition and Form I-485 together. A biometrics appointment, interview, and decision will follow. If you are outside the U.S., you will need to file through the U.S. Department of State and attend an interview at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. The following are the approximate costs associated with the application. Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative, $535. Form I-140, Immigrant Petition for Worker, $700. Form I-485, Adjustment of Status, $1,225 including biometric fee. Form I-526, Investor Petition, $3,775. Form I-918, U visa petition, no fee and consular processing fee, $325 to $400, which varies by category. Note that fees are subject to change, so always check the official USCIS website. The Diversity Visa Program typically opens in October and closes in November, with results announced in May of the following year. Family and employment-based green cards accept applications year-round, but are subject to visa availability. Special immigrant and refugee green cards are processed based on priority. Important resources include the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services website, the Diversity Visa Lottery registration page, the U.S. Department of State Visa Bulletin, USPS Informed Delivery, and the Check Case Status tool. Applying for a green card requires careful planning and attention to eligibility, deadlines, and fees. Ensure that you check official resources for updates and follow the correct process based on your category. Your American dream is closer than you think. Stay informed, apply wisely, and take your first step today.